Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. My name is Teddy. Today we are talking dash cams. Now I don't really use dash cams the way normal people would. I actually use it for the videos that you see on this channel. Now I'm currently running the Viofo a229 Pro, and I have an interior camera as well as the over the hood camera. 4K, great little unit. Very happy with it, and Viofo messaged me and wanted to send me their flagship camera, which is the A229 Pro. This one's a 3-channel, so I've got interior, I've got the over the hood, and I'm also going to have out the back now, which I'm going to be using to keep an eye on all the gear. Currently I have a big tire in the back, and I don't know how it's going to work, but we're going to find out. They also did send me the hard wiring kit. I also have that for this one. I just hook it right up to my Vevor switch panel, a Bluetooth remote that I won't be installing. If you do have an area where the camera is hard to reach, then you can just use that and it'll save your videos or whatever else you want to do with it. I won't be installing it. I have it nice and close. I can just reach up and press the button. They also sent me a 64 gigabyte memory card, which was very nice. Can never get enough memory cards. So the way it works, at least the way it worked with this one, is you've got about a 2-minute loop. If it senses a lot of G-force, it'll save the last 2 minutes. That being said, on the dirt road, it was saving all the time. So I ended up having to turn it down. You can turn down the G-force sensor, and then it wasn't so bad at all. I didn't have any more issues with it whatsoever. So let's go over some stats real quick on the new A229 Pro. You've got a 4K front camera, you've got a 1080p interior camera, and you've got a 2K rear camera with this setup. It's got the current best sensor at 1 1/8 inch, which is awesome. It's, you know, that's gonna be a bigger sensor than my drone. It's got built-in GPS, it's got built-in Wi-Fi, HDR images, so for me and editing, it's a little bit tricky. It doesn't leave much room to edit the footage, but the quality that comes out of it, your darks are gonna be real dark and your lights are gonna be real light. It makes for some good footage. This particular camera also has a really ultra wide angle. I won't be using that. I'll be using the most narrow one possible. And again, for regular folk that aren't making YouTube videos, this camera is gonna be a great setup. You've got your front, you've got your interior, you've got your rear. It also has a parking option, so you can just leave it. And if anybody walks by your car, there's a sensor. It'll start recording when somebody's near your car. And these days, just overall safety, everybody should have a dash cam. This is one of the best dash cams on the market, and I'm excited to get it into the truck. So let's go install it. We'll uninstall this one, we'll install this one, see what it's all about. Let's go.
Viofo was kind enough to send me all these items, but you can purchase them together or separately if you don't need all of them. The front camera has the industry's best sensor for the best quality out of your dash cam. Jeep makes it incredibly easy to install or uninstall a dash cam like this. I personally wanted to run mine off of the Vevor switch panel. I unplugged the wires from the switch panel, used a 10mm deep socket to take off the handle, and removed all the old wiring. I had run the wires under the cowl and through the door, a trick I got from my good friend Casey250.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Here we go. Now I'd like to see my passenger, which would be my hand. And that's gonna get in the way. So pretty much right there is where we want it. So this is with night vision on, you can turn it off. One thing that I loved about the other camera was the audio was really good. So I'm gonna assume that this audio is also really good. This night vision is much better than the other one as well. Very cool. I won't be putting on my lights. Oh, geez, I don't know if you can see that bird. That was pretty cool. Also, I haven't installed my rear camera yet. I want to put my gear in there first and see what exactly where I want it exactly. And maybe I won't be using the rear camera. I don't really want to run the wire all the way along. We'll see. We'll see. For now, I'm not going to run it. That is an option that's in there. And I was thinking with the screen on this one, it'd be nice to be able to keep an eye on my gear back there. If anything does open, I'll be able to see it on my screen, which my old one did not have that. So that's a pretty useful feature. You can also adjust the exposure on your camera by using the settings in your phone there. But looking at the picture quality on my phone, it's actually very nice. Very good quality. I will definitely be able to use this on my videos for sure. Like you're still getting, it's pretty dark and I'm still getting colors of the trees, which is awesome.
The Viofo dashcam also comes with an app so that you can get to your settings. You can also view each camera or all cameras in the app. Of course, I want the best video resolution. Two-minute loop recording. My other dashcam had a low setting. This one you can turn it off completely for the G-force. Maximum bitrate, of course. Everything else looks pretty good. Switch it to English. I did go back and turned off all the stamps. However, the HDR one is still there.
So here we are with out the infrared on the inside, so no night vision. I'm kind of dark. Let's roll down the window, see if I turn purple. It's like I said, it's kind of dark, so it's hard to tell. It's going to be interesting to see the interior camera when I'm on obstacles. I do like this angle, and you can really see what's going on. Anyways, I'm going to show you. I'm on the dirt road now. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the dash cam. So I was a Sasquatch, right? And I'm kind of darkly see. You're gonna be able to see it. Okay, change of plans. This is actually the rear camera that I'm holding right now. Comes with a bunch of wires. Okay, so a long line of wires, I should say. I'm going to loosely run it up along the roll cage and set it up so that I can see what's behind me, keep an eye on my gear. I've got a trip planned, so which you're coming along with. We're gonna test these cameras out in real time on the road. Let's quickly get this thing installed. And so we are officially on the road. I've got my firewood in the back here. I can clearly see it still there. I do have it strapped down, but I don't know. I was a little bit worried about it. So again, nice little feature. I've got it here on my phone. I just see somebody with my sticker on their Jeep.
How's it going, Tim?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good.
Where you headed?
I got a place on Harrison Lake.
Nice.
I'm heading up to check on it before it freezes.
Good idea. See ya.
And well, final thoughts on this bad boy. I obviously really like it. The picture quality that comes out of it, as you can see, is pretty good. Still have that HDR stamp. I gotta figure out a way to get rid of that. Maybe I'll just turn off the HDR altogether and do some color grading afterwards. The dog is seeing the reflection on this. Super simple to set up. When you turn your car on, it's gonna turn on. And when you're parked, it's got the sensors to keep an eye on your vehicle when you can't keep an eye on the vehicle. But overall, I mean, 10 out of 10 on the product. I absolutely love the idea of keeping my eye on the gear in the back with a screen like this. I actually use my phone more than the screen. The screen does shut off while you're driving, so it's not annoying. That's a nice little feature. I'm pretty sure you can change that as well in the menus. But Viofo, thank you very much for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it. If you do want to get one for yourself, there's a link in the description for a discount. I believe they're giving 5% discount, but click the link below. It'll get you a better deal on this camera. And again, it's up to you what kind of package you want, whether it's just the interior camera and out the front camera. That's a very good option. If you want the rear camera, you can get that as well with this package. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.
Let's go! Life's like a movie, lights, camera, action. Put your mind to it, live the life that you imagine. Life's